Akemashite omedetou gozaimasu. May this turning of the cycle align you ever more precisely with infinite intelligence, clear signal, sovereign spirit, and ordered God force flowing unobstructed through form. May the old constructs dissolve without struggle. May false timelines lose coherence. And may your third path, the middle path of balance, continue to crystallize as a living axis between worlds, as a clear conduit between the angelic realms and the demonic realms upon earth. In this new Elohim year, may remembrance outpace resistance. May vision outrun noise. And may your work echo cleanly through the divine matrix for those with eyes to see and ears to hear. We here at the Umbanda New Elohim Ashram invite you to go forward, onward in clarity, authority, and unity. Om Band. Amen. Happy New Year, folks.